Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to match beat automatically on CapCut. So you can first, if you want to match the beat with the photo or audio in CapCut, you need to mark the beat first. And here I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to just click on add audio, and here I'm going to just use the music that is recommended by CapCut. So for example, I want to okay, I'm going to just add this audio, and then here if you want to mark the beat, just click on the audio, and here find the match cut option, click on that, and here click on this auto generate, and here there are, you can see there the CapCut will automatically mark the beat, and you can choose between beat 1 and also beat 2. So beat 1 okay, beat 2 is actually have more beats into it, so you can see there are three yellow dots in here, and the beat 1 will go like this. So I'm going to go with beat 1, maybe click on that, and here you can adjust the duration of each clip, match the to match with the beats on the audio. So you can just go with that. Here you can go that, do that one by one like this. And later your clips will be matched automatically with the beats. I'm going to split the audio first, okay, in here, and I'm going to delete the rest of them. Oops. So here what my video will look like with the match cut audio. So it will match the beat and the sound. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.